Hello, I'm the professor with a bow tie. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Today I respond to a comment from my viewer on how to pronounce the word Uranus in Greek, in modern Greek and in ancient Greek. Also, we will see its several meanings in ancient Greek and in modern Greek. Uranus in ancient Greek is called Uranos. Uranos. You can also find it in Doric dialect as Oranos and in Aeolian Oranos. Uranos, Oranos, Doric and Aeolian Oranos. It has several meanings in ancient Greek language. Of course, it means sky, the space above the earth, but Uranus was also a mythical figure. According to Hesiod's Theogony, Uranus was the son and the husband of Ea, and both were the parents of Titans. In the mythical world, Uranus was the abode of the gods. In the real world, every vaulted shape was called Uranos. For example, a vaulted roof or even the pallet. The pallet in modern Greek is called Uraniskos. That is the diminutive of the word Uranos. Uraniskos. The same type is used in modern Greek language, but without the mark psili. Uranos is the sky. Also, it means vaulted canopy and is the abode of the Christian god this time. For the end, Uranus is the fourth biggest planet in our solar system, and its name obviously comes from the ancient Greek god Uranos. So, follow my mouth, Uranos. 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 Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you for watching.